Thinking about switching your business to solar energy, one of your first questions is, how many solar panels can I fit on my roof? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Calculate usable roof space. Measure the length and width of your roof's usable area. Multiply these to get the total square meters. For example, a 10 by 5 meter roof gives you 50 square meters. Step 2. Determine panel fit. A standard solar panel covers about 1.7 square meters. Divide your usable roof area by this number. So 50 divided by 1.7 equals approximately 29 panels. Step 3. Account for spacing and obstructions. Not all roof space is usable. Deduct 10-20% for things like vents or required spacing. Step 4. Estimate energy output. Multiply the number of panels by their wattage. If each panel is 400 watts, 23 panels would give you 9.2 kilowatts peak kWp of power. Want a more precise estimate? Use EvoEnergy's solar panel calculator. Input your roof size, shading, and energy usage to see potential savings.